How can you have a truck on the other side, a Swift truck at that, driving on the wrong side of the fucking freeway? It's got it all blocked off. How in the fuck? You're going the wrong fucking way. And he ran off the fucking road. And that crashed. Fucking Swift truck driver. No, he went off the fucking thing. Look at all this fucking damage and shit. Wow. Truck driving ain't for everybody, man. This shit's fucked up. And another wreck. Car across the street. That's where it was hit. Got a killing ass headache right now. Bad.